Nice easy one for you today. Got a patio door handle that's missing the latch portion, just broke off in there. Got the replacement part. We're just going to be replacing the arm. We can actually reuse the screws, so that's easy enough. And to open the latch, let's see if we can push this up here. Just inserting our screwdriver down or up, whatever needs to happen here. And it looks like we're latched in pretty good there. And we've also got a Charlie bar, security bar down on that side. But now we can just kind of insert right here and twist, open it up, pull it on back. And this just has two screws that go through. And I'll show you the back of it in a minute. It's got a finger pull, which you can probably see in the mirror there. And the finger pull is set so that the openings are in the inner portion, right here, so that you can get your fingers in there to open the door much easier. And this just has two screws that go through. And I'll just kind of hold the back in place. Okay. And I'll show you, this is the back of it. And so we've got our two screws inserts there. That's where our screws are going to seat. And this also has an option for adding a keyed entry, which I show in a few other videos. But this one's in upstairs. I don't need a keyed entry. It'd be kind of odd if somebody was climbing up over the balcony. So here we go. This, we just pass our screws through. And then we just have to line them up with our back plate, which isn't too difficult, but it can be a little tricky. It's tricky enough. Just enough to keep things interesting. So sometimes you'll have to kind of pull it back and examine the opposite side a little bit as you first get it going through. And just starting my first couple threads with finger. There we go. And then once you get them most of the way, you can kind of position your latch piece nice and straight where you want it. Tighten it up and test it out. Hey, good there. And it looks like we can add a screw here to make this a bit stronger so it doesn't pull down on us. Other than that, we're good to go. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. It's replacing a broken patio door latch. Good to go.